Hello, it's Clonio from Eurobricks here. Now, we were approached at the beginning of November about reviewing a new LEGO apparel line. We just had to give them a shirt and hat size, and the embargo date was the 10th of January. I didn't hear anything until today, which is the 12th of January, when I'm recording this video. But it became clear a few days ago, since I hadn't heard anything, that it would probably be the new Hype Ninjago line. Now, as you can see from the minifig for scale right there, the box is pretty big for what I expected to be just a shirt and a hat. So I'm going to open it up on camera and we'll see together what it is. Sorry, Avatar Cloney. Okay. I'm mangling the box. There we go. Okay. Wow. That's not exactly what I expected. Okay, so I am right. It is about the Hype line. Here's a brochure. Super secret. Do not post until the 10th of January. That won't be a problem because this came on the 12th of January. Alrighty. So, what else do we have here? A brochure about Lego storage and lunch. Room Copenhagen. It's pretty cool. There's a lot of, I haven't seen all of these before. Maybe I haven't been paying attention, but all right. That's a cool catalog. This is funny. So this is a Kai. Let's see. Is this attached? No. So this is a Kai that probably just a plush one that's sold at, I don't know if it's been in the brand stores. I haven't been in a brand store all year, nor a Legoland. It looks like one that's probably pre-existing, and then they've made like a little Hype shirt to go on it. It's pretty funny. It's a bit big, like it's, I mean, other people might already know how big these things are. It's pretty big. I wouldn't really display this in like an office setting. It's too big for that, but it's pretty cute. Okay, this is cool. Oops. All right. It is a Hype tote bag here. All right. It's a deep bag. It's very, I mean, it's not subtle. It's definitely not subtle. It's very, but very nice large straps. That's cool. Okay, so far, no clothing. This is very cool. This is the new Tournament of Elements set, new for January 2021. That's nice. I suppose we'll do a review of that. Now, is that pearl gold or is that gold ink? I don't know. Okay. So, all that's left is this yellow cube, which is a very nice one of these storage cubes, which is in the brochure. So is this going to have the clothes? That's to me with my real name. And okay, it's one shirt. So it's the red t-shirt. Now the front is very plain. Just says Hype. That's probably Hype in the made-up Ninjago language. And then the back, it's a men's oversized shirt, but medium. So sounds like something that would be good as pajamas, unless you're into oversized shirts. And a very, very large, I don't think that's Kai, because I don't know. Oh no, that's J with the freckles. That'd be J. So it's a red shirt, but it's J. And it says just Hype, and it has a huge J on the back. So there you have it. We've got interestingly, no hat, because we gave them a hat size. So we got a cube, and the shirt, a tote bag, this cute card, the large Kai, very nice set, which I don't have yet, so we'll review that, and the brochure. And there we go.